Hi guys, today we'll be doing a video on how to change the broken camera glass. We have an iPhone 7 with
Plus,
camera glass cracked. We inquired in the service center and we got to know that we had to pay 28,000 to get it replaced. And after paying the 28,000 as well, the warranty is again void. So there is no point in uh, paying 28,000 and getting the device replaced. So we thought of ordering the outer glass online from Amazon or eBay, and we are trying to replace it at home. Let's see how it goes. So as we discussed about changing the camera glass at home, we need this below items to get this job done. We need one tweezer, make sure the ends are very sharp. We need a needle. It should be very sharp as well, if you can see it. Yeah. Similarly, we need one paper clip. We also need a hand sanitizer so that the hand should be clean before working on this. We need a nail paint remover that is generally known as acetone and a cotton. And the main part is we have already ordered the outer glass from Amazon. You can get it in maybe $1,000. So we are starting with the job and we'll keep you posted.
hi guys, so now we are removing the broken glass pieces. As you can see, it's all, let me make it more zoom. So we have removed it, the broken glass, and you can see the pieces over here. Just make sure it doesn't mix with your camera lenses, otherwise your camera lenses will.
The camera lens might get damaged. So
Exactly.
be very careful, be very, you have to remove the glass pieces very slowly with a steady hand. If your pin slides or slips over the camera lens, then it might be a
Problem for you.
problem for you. That's a big problem for you. So
So,
we'll continue. So we have removed all the cracked glass pieces, and as you can see, the entire outer glass has been removed, and there is a glue which is remaining, which we have to clear.
hi guys, so we have removed the broken lens and see now how it is.
We have removed the broken lens as well as we have removed the
Glue.
remaining glue, and now we are cleaning the surface with a thinner, or you can say acetone. But while cleaning the surface, make sure that the acetone doesn't touch the camera lens. You just have to carefully clean the outer part of the camera module,
Can you
not the
show it?
lens. Sure.
Yeah, so this is how you need to clean it.
So make sure you don't touch the lens.
And make sure you don't use too much thinner.
So once you clean uh, the camera part with thinner, it should look like this. There shouldn't be any glue precipitate remaining. Now we are preparing to install a new glass.
So before that, we
And
can check the clarity of the camera.
yes, you can. So as you can see guys, this is the normal camera. It is scanning well. You can see it is focusing. And this is the portrait camera.
Even that is working
So
pretty
even this is
fine.
working fine. So we are good to go. And now we'll be starting with installing the outer glass. So we are back with outer glass fitment. So this is the product which we bought from Amazon. You can have a look. The white color thing you're able to see is just the adhesive tape, and this is the outer part. This is for primary camera and this is for portrait camera. There is a small thin layer of sellotape on it. So once that once this cover is installed, you can just pull it off and you're good to go. So guys, just missed to mention that before fitting this glass, before removing this adhesive tape, make sure you clean the inner area of this outer glass module. So because once you fit it, you cannot remove that. So this is the cotton dipped in acetone, that's nail paint remover. Make sure you clean it very well, and once you clean it from this cotton, you have to take a dry cotton and make sure it is wet and without any scratch or any miniature particles. So now we are going to remove this adhesive tape and we are going to install this camera module over here. Or sorry, it's not a module, it's a camera outer glass over here. So we'll come up with the next model. So now we are just trying to remove the adhesive tape. Be very careful. You just have to remove the adhesive tape and not the actual adhesive. Now we have removed the adhesive tape and we are going to slowly install this onto the phone. If you want, you can use small tweezer, but I prefer doing it by hand. And here you go. You have just placed the outer glass on the exact slot. Make sure it is firmly installed. As you can see, there is a small thin layer of sellotape on it. So now we have installed the outer cover and we are just going to remove the top layer of the sellotape. And here it is. We have successfully replaced the cracked outer glass of this iPhone 7 Plus. The fitment looks good. It doesn't look like original, but yes, by doing this, you're at least saving your 28,000, and your overall expenditure is less than 1,500 bucks. So we'll share the entire details, what all things you need, how the entire process should be carried out in a while. Stay tuned. So guys, after installing the outer glass, we are just checking the clarity of the cameras. As you can see, the primary camera works fine. If you try to focus it, it does work fine. I'm sorry, that was the portrait camera. So we are back to primary camera again. And this is the portrait camera. The slight movement you see on the screen, that is because of the camera module trying to focus. So as far as the camera module is trying to focus, the camera is fine. So you don't have to worry about damaged camera. So this is how it looks. If you can see it, let me just make it more clear and visible. So from this distance, you cannot even make out that it is replaced. Alright guys, so I hope you like this video. If you like it, then please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you.